Hi everyone, welcome to this short tutorial brought to you by Decotex. In this video, I will walk you through an automated workflow built in n8n. This workflow fetches tasks that are due today from Notion, formats them nicely and sends them as a message to a specific Slack channel every day. This is a Notion database name as tasks, consists of following datasets. Two tasks are due today: fix API billing and customer onboarding. The one project meeting is completed. So let's execute the workflow. The workflow starts with a schedule trigger. Note it runs automatically on a daily basis, so there is no manual work required. Next, we use a function node to format the time that matches Notion's date format. After that, we have a Notion node to get database pages. This connect to a Notion database filter task where due date is today and status is not to complete. Then the output is passed to another function node to format the Slack message. Then a Slack node to send the notification. Let's check the Slack, and here we got the daily task due date today, customer onboarding and fix API billing, the assignee name, time, priority, and the link to open that page. Priority is getting from here. This is a task page, and that's it. This automated workflow helps your team stay updated with all tasks due today without needing to manually check Notion. It runs daily, pulls all pending tasks from Notion, formats them and posts them to Slack. A simple way to stay productive and organized. This workflow is brought to you by Decotex. If you want more automation tutorials or helping building your workflow, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.